This is the MOSFET Interactive Calculator, which solves for key electrical parameters in MOSFET circuit design. The calculator has 6 calculation modes: calculate drain current saturation, calculate power dissipation, calculate transconductance, calculate on-resistance linear, calculate required VGS, and thermal analysis junction temp. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Drain Current mode. The input fields include Transconductance parameter, Kn, in amperes per volt squared, gate source voltage, VGS, in volts, threshold voltage, VTH, in volts, drain source voltage, VDS, in volts, drain current ID, in amperes, channel length modulation, lambda, in 1/volts, RDS on at VGS ref, in ohms, thermal resistance, R take the JA, in degrees Celsius per watt, ambient temperature TAM, in degrees Celsius, and target drain current ID, in amperes. Let's calculate with these values. Kn equals 0.5, VGS equals 5 volts, VTH equals 2 volts, VDS equals 12 volts, ID equals 2.5 amperes, lambda equals 0.01, RDS on equals 0.025 ohms, thermal resistance equals 50, ambient temperature equals 25 degrees, and target current equals 3 amperes. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 2.52 amperes drain current. Secondary results include transconductance GM at 1.68 Siemens, power dissipation at 30.24 watts, and operating region showing saturation with VDS sat at 3 volts. This calculator streamlines MOSFET analysis for your circuit designs. Find the link in the description below.